Alright, we are coming into Eagle Pass now, December 19th, 2019, and I am nothing but red and pink. But my cell phone signal's coming in, and remember, it pulls in cell phone signal too. It's all data and everything. So in other words, a regular CB antenna would not pull this kind of data in. And a lot of times people's cell phones don't work around here. Right now my phone is pulling in the signal from the Weboost. So it's working right now. I'm looking at my bars as we're talking about that. I am crossing Eagle Pass right now. Let's see here. I'll tell you exactly what the name of this road is. I always call it Eagle Pass, but it's Valley Citadel Eagle Bridge, Illinois River. Crossing over the Illinois River now. This is so friggin' high up. I don't like this one. This one I hate when I drive over with ice, because it just freaking freaks me out. Hey, Big E was on the Illinois River. So it's like hell, the water's a little high today, especially in the ditches and everything. No ice on the roads. We're good. And I'm blue. We've got signal now. Right when we hit the bridge, we got signal. So that's a good sign. Now we got full signal. So it's more than just my phone now. Now it's everything. So it is pulling it in. Because usually if I just have my cell phone here and somebody was trying to operate Wi-Fi, they wouldn't be able to. It's a good thing. Alright, shutting off for now, and we're going to go and check the next leg of the journey.